Good morning. Today I'm going to discuss about how to create a table in OpenOffice using Wizard. Okay, so this is the table I want to use for creating this table in Wizard. Okay, so first I opened already this table, this OpenOffice. Okay, we know that how to open the table. If you want means I can close and I can open again in the search bar of taskbar. Just open means automatically it will be opened. See, this is our application, OpenOffice. Okay, so click on the database. Okay, now already I have the database, that is 10A. So finish. So this is the database with the 10A. Okay, now click on the tables. These are all the some of the tables in this okay, in this database, 10-year database. These are all the tables. Now I'm going to create this table. Okay, that is what table this is, department table, with the help of Wizard. So what is the option? You have to click on use Wizard to create table. Okay, so I clicked on here. Okay, here in this drop down arrow shows number of tables. Okay, but these are not suitable for us. Okay, whatever it may be, whatever the table it is selected, and no need to bother anything. Just select one table. Just move this field to right pane of this selected fields. Okay, then only this next is enabled. We want the next. We want to proceed to next. Click on the next. Now here, whatever the field you moved here, just make it as our required field, that is E code in the department. Okay, E code is there. So you write employee code or E code, and the E code, what if you find the values under the E code, all the values are integers. That means numbers, and the numbers also they are integers. So they don't have any decimals. So you have to here you have to type integer. Already it is there. That's why no need. Okay. Okay. Click next. Okay, before click next, we have to finish all the fields. Next, DEP name. So again, you have, if you want to add one more field, click on plus symbol, and here it change the name according to our table name, dep name. Okay, okay, this dep name, if you check department name, the values under the department name, sales, personal, accounts, all are belongs to text. So again, go to this mode, text varchar, no need to change. Okay, and one more last and final field, that is budget. Okay, so the budget also numbers, all are numbers. Okay, so 20, this is 2 crores. Okay, 2 crores, 1 crore, 2 crore, 2 crore, 1 crore 50,000. Okay, like that. Yeah, so this is the budget. Now the values under the budget, 2 crores and okay, 1 crore 50,000 and 3 crores. These are all only integers, not the decimals. So again, go to the this one and give this one, that is budget, V capital. Okay, and this is integer. Just press I means automatically 2 times press, it will go to the integer. Okay, that's it. Okay, click this. Okay, now my maximum fields in my table is completed. Then go for next. Okay, now it is asking that use automatically add a primary key, means unnecessarily one ID will be added. So we don't want that ID because there is no use of that ID. We have our own fields in our table. That's why here you have to select the primary key. So what is the primary key here? E code, department and budget means maximum all are different. That means all fields have the unique values, but in future means G code has the unique values. Maybe there is a chance to repeat depth name and budget also. That's why E code is the perfect primary key. So go to the table and make it this field E code as a primary. That's it. And click next and finish. We don't want to do anything here. Here, what do you want to name your table is there. Here itself we can change. Okay. That is what department DEPT. I'm giving the DEPT table. Click finish. Okay. So this is ready. So the values, whatever there in this, you can, this is okay. And this is our table, E code 101. So I'm entering 101 and sales. Okay. Budget is 2 crores. Okay. Next 102. What is this? Personal. Okay. Here this is 1 crore 50,000. Yes, 1 crore. 1 crore 50,000. Okay. Next 103. Sorry, 104. Next, this is 104 and personal, and then here this is wrong here, PRSO and then here. Okay. Okay. Next, this is 104 accounts, and this is the field name is, sorry, the budget is 3 crore. Okay. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Okay, how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Okay. So that's it. Click on the save. So this is the way we have to create. Okay, and you have to write it all these in the form of steps. So simple. I will tell you how to write the steps also here. Now this is our click close. Okay. So what is our first step? This one, use wizard to create table. So for that, already the assignment is given for you. The document only you can write it, otherwise you can use some other new document, no problem. So this is the first step. Just I don't want to tell all the steps. I will describe 1 or 2 steps. Accordingly you can follow. Okay. So here, first step. What is the first step? Click on option. What is the option name here? The option name is this one. Use wizard to create table. What is that? Use wizard to create table. So you have to write. Click on option. Click on option. Okay. What is the option? Use wizard to create table. Okay. And for this, you have to attach the screenshot also. So if I go for snipping tool and all, my selection is removing. That's why I want the same selection on the option main. Simply print screen it. Okay. After print screen, you can attach here like this. After then you can crop it properly. Okay. So you can crop. I want only that option. Okay. So remaining we don't want, just you crop it up to here, this part, and click on OK on the crop. Now just you drag it, you make it as some square, something like this, so we can easily. That's it. First step is over. What is the second step? So what the second step means? So once you click on that means, click on this option means, next we have to select the tables and select the one field and move it, this one, into the section selected fields. This is the second step, like this now. So write down that is only. So select the table, okay, select the table and select and move the field and select the field, select one field, okay, and move it to the move it under the selected fields. Move it under the selected fields. That's it. Okay. So now just this is only, you can now go for snipping tool. No problem, because already it is selected. We won't get, that selection won't be get removed. No problem. Just you select up to here. Okay. So we don't want this one. This is about the zoom. Okay. Now just you select this. So this field we want. Okay, up to this full. No need to crop anything because we need all the options also. Now you can like this. Next, third step. What is the third step? So third step is click next. Okay. So for this, no need of screenshot and all, because this is small one only. Na? So third one, click next. Fourth one, what is the fourth one? Now we have to rename the field. Okay. So what we are doing here, whatever the field name is there, we have to rename the field name. Select the field and that should be renamed. Okay. So I renamed up to eCode. Okay. Now simply we can write here. What we can write here? Rename the field according to the table. That means rename the, I know the field, rename the field as eCode. Rename the field, F-I-E-L-D, field as eCode. You can write your own data, that variable name. Rename the field as eCode. Next, for adding, still some more fields are there. So fifth, click on plus symbol to add. Click on plus symbol to add next, to add the new field. Okay. So here plus symbol means this plus symbol. Before it was shown, it is not shown here. That's why again take one more screenshot. Click on plus symbol, field will come. This is the screenshot, and you can rename it as eCode after DEP name. Okay. So this is the next step. So again, first write it. What you want to write here? Add field and rename it as DEP name, the EPT name. Okay. Afterwards, again, okay. Next, what you want to do? DEP name after and declare the field and select the field and declare and specify. Otherwise, specify the data type. Okay. So here, this one also you can do that. This is text worker who don't want to do anything. Okay. What is the next step? Again, repeat the. So this is up to here. You take this screenshot by snipping tool, because the selection is automatically, it is selected. Don't get removed. That's why you can take this. Okay. So here, sixth one. Sorry, this is the screenshot. Okay. Seventh one again. We have to repeat the same fifth step and rename the field. Okay. So seventh step is repeat the step 6, but rename the field and rename the field as budget. Na? Okay, third field is third field is budget. So and specify the specify the data type. For this, no need of screenshot, already 6 step only. Next, 8th step is now all fields are over. Click next. Click next. Okay. 9th step is, what is the 9th step here? Okay, here, click on the reday button, click on the option use an existing field as a primary key and select the primary key among the fields of a table. Okay, so what is that? Click on the, check the option or click on the option. Click on the option. Okay, otherwise select the option. Select the option. Select the option. What is this? Use an existing field as a primary key. Use an existing field as a primary key. Okay, then select the primary key field among the fields of a table and select the primary key field among the fields of the table. Okay, now what you want to do here? So here I selected this as eCode. Now take this print out. That means for print screen. Okay, so I'm using here this full screenshot and just I'm pasting here. Okay. Okay, next. So next step is, what is the next step? 10th step. What is the 10th step means? Again, go to here, click next. Okay, after assigning the primary key, click next. Now just again finish. We don't want to do anything. Okay, so click next. Click next. 11th. Now you rename the table. 11th is rename the table. Rename the table as, what is that? My table name is department, DPT. Okay, and click on finish. We don't want to do anything, and click on finish. So this is the one more screenshot. Take the screenshot from the snipping tool. Okay, and now come to here, you just paste it. Okay, after then next step is enter the values into the table. Once you finish means what will happen? Automatically table will be opened. Okay, now already we have the table. What is the table already? DEPT table. Now you enter the values. Next step is entering the values. Write down here, entering the values. Enter the values into the table. Next step, that is means step 12. Step 12 is enter the values into the table. Enter the values into the table. Okay. Enter the values into the table. Then after all the records over, after entering all the records, take one more screenshot like this. See, for me already I entered 3 records. Okay, my records only 3. Enough. If you have any more than any 3 records means you can enter all the records, no problem. So enter this, you can attach this one to here. So this is the way how to do the practical. That means what? This is practical record. In this way, step by step, according to the screenshot you have to attach. This is for not only creating the table wizard, you can do that for creating the table in the design view. Hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.